For many years now, a key component of the Proven Winners marketing campaign is the highly successful Plants of the Year and Recipes of the Year programs. These items will be heavily featured in multiple aspects of the marketing program, help simplify the retail shopping experience, and build confidence for every gardener, whether novice, expert, or somewhere in between. It gives our grower and retailer partners 1 year advance notice and to capitalize on strong consumer demand by making these items available as part of their product offerings. Let's start with the Plants of the Year for the 2025 season. These plants selected are easy to grow, iconic, readily available, and are perfect for containers and/or landscape gardens. The Annual of the Year is Supertunia Mini Vista Yellow. The Caladium of the Year is Heart to Heart Blushing Bride. The Houseplant of the Year is Prismacolor Orangey Gorgeous. The Perennial of the Year is Jack of Diamonds. The Hosta of the Year is Shadowland Miss America. The Landscape Perennial of the Year is Cat's Meow. The Flowering Shrub of the Year is Centaurea Double Blue. The Rose of the Year is Reminiscent Coral. The Hydrangea of the Year is Little Lime Punch. The Landscape Shrub of the Year is North Pole. And the Tree of the Year is Showtime Crabapple. Next, let's take a look at the 2025 Recipes of the Year. Over the past 30 years, Proven Winners has led the industry in creating eye-catching container recipes that have been highly profitable for growers and retailers alike. We lead the way by giving marketing names to these recipes to allow consumers to more easily remember recipes they have purchased and have had success growing in their home gardens. As an example, the famous Above and Beyond recipe, a previous recipe of the year, is regularly referred to by name by consumers on our social media channels. The Recipes of the Year go through a rigorous performance trial where they are evaluated for both grower performance as well as season-long consumer performance. We also look at consumer color trend preferences to make sure there will be strong appeal within the retail sales channel. We have 3 Recipes of the Year featuring annuals: Ireland, Vista View, and Champagne Toast. And the Heart to Heart Caladium recipe of the year is Strawberry Stand. For our grower and retailer partners, the Plants of and Recipes of the Year are all items that truly need to be on your growing benches and in your garden centers, as we know gardeners will be looking for them. We've also seen demand for these items continue to grow in subsequent years as consumers continue to engage with our marketing messages. So don't miss out on this low-hanging fruit sales opportunity.